What's up, Internet? How you guys doing? We're back with another video. And apparently there's a chicken over there. Okay, we're gonna do the what is that noise challenge. Stop! We're gonna do the what is that noise, and the phone is ringing.
After this.
And my brother's walking in the hall.
Whoopee cushion.
Okay, stop. We're gonna be doing the... Stop! The battery's gonna die, I hope you know that.
Alright.
We're gonna be doing the what is that noise challenge. Do you wanna go first?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright.
We get to pick 6.
Tell me what this noise is.
Has to be animal noises.
Yeah.
Coyote?
Yep.
I know that noise. A bear?
No.
A lion?
No.
Tiger?
No.
I give up.
Crocodile.
Okay. Monkey?
No.
What is it?
Cockatoo.
Wow, wow, wow. Play it again. Hawk?
Yep. Oh no, crow.
Crow. A dying animal?
No.
Duck?
Yeah.
Seal?
Nope.
Oh, dolphin.
Yeah.
Dog?
Nope.
What is that?
Puppy crying.
It's a dog. So that's one cat.
Nope.
Cat and heat.
Nope.
Then what is it?
Baby lion.
Okay, my turn. Ready?
Hold on just a second. I want to see what this sounds like. That's
Ready?
an elk.
Set, go. Here's my noise. Frog. Ready?
That's a fly.
No,
Bumblebee.
it's a bee.
Cricket.
Oh, go off.
I have no clue.
It's a cricket. No, grasshopper.
Fly?
No,
Wasper?
no.
I don't know.
Mosquito.
Frog. Snake?
What kind?
Rattlesnake?
Yes. You want to do a couple more just because that wasn't that entertaining? What is that?
Monkey?
Nope.
Chimpanzee?
Yep.
Elephant?
Yeah.
Is that a gorilla?
Yeah. What's this one?
Tiger?
No.
Lion?
Yeah.
Monkey? My turn.
What is this?
I don't know.
I'm a cow.